Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. We are here at...
What's that? I don't know again.
We're here in Galleria Mall. And now, punta kami dito kasi may fireworks mamayang 9 PM. So, ito yung Galleria Mall. And hinahanap namin yung labas kasi sometimes may event. So, punta kami doon sa labas. Guys, nandito kami ngayon sa park. Meron silang parang playground dito. Wow, it's nice for the kids. Magustuhan ni Carl dito. It's really nice, Carl. Yeah, you can. Come on. And there's more there, oh. There's like a mountain.
There's a mountain.
Come on, you walk. See, oh, they're making puzzles. It's like a puzzle. Here. Oh, there's a big playground.
Whoa! It's so big.
Yeah, this is really nice. Come on, you can.
I like this mall because this, this is my favorite
Look at the playground. Come on.
Wow.
This is really a nice mall, Carl. Come on, you go up. Go up here. Carl. Here, anak ko. Go up. Go up now. Oh, see the baby's going up. Oh, you go up also. See, come on. Oh, we wait for her turn. How about the horsey? Oh, one more time for the slide. Slide, anak. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Whee! Hi guys! Dito sa Galleria may mga designers. Ayan, Gucci. And then Louis Vuitton. So, may mga designers sila dito. Where's the exit? Tapos, ito. V and Fendi. Meron silang mga booth. Hi guys, nandito kami ngayon sa Virgin. Guys, ang ganda nito. Ganda niya, grabe. And the price is 2,000. 2,000 dirham. 2,000 dirham is that is 28,000 something. Meron siyang coaster, thermos. Yeah. And guys, meron siyang mga coffee maker ba to? Espresso maker, something. 1.5. And I like this. Dito kami sa Virgin. Dito sa Virgin sa Galleria. May mga toys din pala dito, guys. Wow, what's that? What's that?
I found a scooter.
Scooter?
Look what I have found.
How much the scooter?
Look, I have found a big grape digger.
Wow,
I found a
big monster truck.
I found a big truck.
800. Pang malaki na ata yan.
Right.
And meron din dun gadget, guys. Dun yung phone. Yung phone. Oh! I remember this Monopoly. Ha. Favorite ako ng bata ko laro ito. Kano yung Monopoly ngayon? Oh my God! 319 dirham. Mahal naman. Mura lang siguro yun sa Pinas. Yeah. You know, Carl, I like this game when I was a kid. That is a nice game, really. When you grow up a little bit, we will play that one. Oh no, but we'll buy it in Philippines. Because it's very expensive here.
You played this game when you were small?
Yeah, I was playing that game. That's nice game, anak.
Wow, I never
300. Mura lang sa Pinas yun eh.
never played this.
And what is this? Something? It's a card? Is it a card?
No?
Collectible card? I don't know. Alam sa mga ganito.
Look what I found.
29.
Look what I found. The?
What is that?
I have a so heavy. Look at what I found here.
Amor,
What's that?
Hey, look at what I found. This is a
It's a map.
Y este es el elegido.
Puzzle map?
and there's
Yeah.
flags of
puzzle.
the world. Look.
Flags of the world.
Ireland, Italy, Japan, Jordan, Kazakhstan, and Belgium, Brazil, and Bahrain,
Wow, good
and
job.
Argentina, and Libya,
You know,
Australia. And there's a,
oh, come on, put it back. How much that one?
I don't know. Papa,
Oh, 89. Come on, hold my hand. It's okay, it's okay. Oh, sorry. Hi guys, dito kami ngayon sa labas. Ito yung sea. Ito siya. So, ngayon, nag-aantay kami ng fireworks kasi 9 o'clock pa but we have still 2 hours for the fireworks. Kaya, ayun, waiting kami dito. Nakaupo kami dito. May mga restaurants. So, ayun guys. Later, pakita ko sa inyo yung fireworks dito sa Galleria Mall. Wow! Look at this boy.
Oh, look at me.
Hi guys! We have another vlog and then here's our snacks. Here's our snacks. Hi mommy.
Hi.
So the fireworks are not here yet because it takes so long. Okay, I'm just going to drink this. Just my water bottle. Okay, bye bye.